أحب الوفاء بشتى الصور، أحب الوفي الأمين الأغر، فأهل الوفاء كلون السحاب وحسن الربيع.
Okay, people are suffering all over the world, and Irshad here is having egg, fried mushrooms, fried tomatoes, bread, and olives. Okay?
Mr. Most important
And
part.
tea.
Mr. Most important part.
What?
Where am I?
Where are you? It doesn't matter, it's irrelevant.
وحسن الربيع وماء المطر، مقامهم فوق رأس الجبال وفوق الروابي وعند القمر، ويا من تحب غياب الوفاء.
Assalamu alaikum. It's Saturday, 15th of September. It's a beautiful, sunny Saturday morning in the New Forest of Hampshire.
Just really enjoying the hike. The weather's fantastic. The brothers are really cool. Just like looking forward to the next hike, bro.
أخلص الحب عمرا وسحقا لذاك الذي قد غدر.
Push my banana in my bag. So that's how my day's going.
لمن أخلص الحب عمرا وسحقا لذاك الذي.
Well, this trek is a good opportunity to reflect, especially with what's happened in the past with regard to people who just come from Hajj and long distances that they've travelled over several days and what we're going through today. But also in the future, in a few days' time, when the month of Muharram and the day of Ashura, when Musa alayhi salam, Allah saved Musa alayhi salam and his people, and they made a long trek from their cities to the Red Sea and through the Red Sea. And it's a good chance to reflect on what they went through. But we're at least wearing comfortable hiking shoes, socks, breathable tops, but these people didn't have any of these luxuries. But it's a good opportunity to reflect some of the journeys that these people went through.
وحسن الربيع وماء المطر، مقامهم فوق رأس الجبال.
3, 2, 1,
Doing this for you, yeah? Whoever's watching behind that camera, for you, okay?
Are you with?
وكم قائل قد أضاع حياتي وفيا لأجل هناء البشر أقول له.
You see, in our life, always throughout your life, you're going to be met with circumstances or situations where you have to decide whether you love Allah more than that particular.
الذي قد غادر هنيئا لمن أخلص الحب عمرا وسحقا لذاك الذي قد غادر. أحب الوفاء بشتى الصور، أحب الوفي الأمين الأغر، فأهل الوفاء كلون السحاب.
People, when crossing Marshland, run. Otherwise you'll sink and die a soggy death.
بشتى الصور، أحب الوفي الأمين الأغر، فأهل الوفاء كلون السحاب.
Fish, bruv. Fish.
مقامهم فوق رأس الجبال وفوق.
Alhamdulillah, it was a fantastic trip today. The weather was just perfect, and I'm happy, alhamdulillah, that the young brothers especially, they enjoyed themselves, they had a good time. All in all, it was a great day, alhamdulillah.
yeah, it's been brilliant, alhamdulillah. Going to see that great outdoors, meeting brothers, having a nice time generally. Yeah, and really enjoyed the day. Would definitely like to do one day in the future.
البشر أقول له وحسب الوفاء يطيل العمر. هنيئا لمن أخلص الحب عمرا وسحقا لذاك الذي قد